everyone! Happy Thinking Thursday. I hope you are having a good day, even though it is a little stormy, a little cloudy. It's time for my favorite part of the day. It is time for the math question of the day. Yeah! So today's math question of the day is a little tricky. It's a little different than what we've normally done. But before we get into that, let's go over yesterday's math question of the day. So yesterday's math question of the day said that Mrs. Getch had 10 Easter eggs, and then the Easter Bunny comes and takes 7 of them. How many eggs do we have left? So we had to do this problem in 3 different ways. We had to solve it in 3 different ways. We had to make a 5-group drawing, a number sentence, and a number bond. So with my 5-group drawing, you can see I have 5 up at the top and then 5 more at the bottom because we know that 5 and 5 makes 10. And then I crossed out 7 of my circles to tell me how many eggs I have left. And then I wrote my number sentence 10 because that's how many we start with. Take away or minus 7 because we're crossing out 7 of them equals 3 because there are 3 left. Then to make my number bond, I have 10 as my whole because that's what we're starting out with and it's the biggest number. And remember, the biggest number always goes in the whole. Then in our parts, we have 7, which is what we took away. So I put an X on it and then we get 3 left as our answer. So there's how we solve yesterday's math question of the day. You guys did a really, really awesome job with this. I had a lot of friends send me their answers to the math question of the day really, really quickly. So good job doing that. Today's math question of the day, it's a little different. So I'm actually going to walk you through how to solve it. It's using things that we've done before, but there's 2 parts to it. So you have to listen to 2 different parts of a story problem and then fill out some number sentences for each part of the story problem. So here are the directions. It says, listen to each story. Show the story with your fingers on the number line, and then fill out the number sentences. So you're going to need to make a number line or use the number line in your binder that's part of your homework helper, the one that has your name on it, the shapes, the color words, and the alphabet. So if you can find that, use that. That'll be great. And if not, you can just draw one really quickly. So you just draw a line, and then you make a line 0, 1, 2, and go all the way to 10. And you can have your parents help you too with that. Not a big deal. So here's the first part of the story. Mia has 3 candies. Avril gives her 2 more. How many candies does Mia have now? So we will go to our number line, and we're going to start on the 3 because that's how many Mia has at the beginning. And then we're going to go 2 spaces more. 1, 2. And then the number sentence that we have to fill out is 3 plus 2 equals, and whatever number you land on, that's your answer. So I'll give you guys a second to do that. And then, oops, I erased some of this. And then the next part of the story, Mia gets to eat the candies. So we just discovered that Mia has 5 candies now. She eats 2 of them. So this time we're going to be taking away 2. This is a subtraction problem because she had 5 and then she eats 2 of them. So we're going to go back to our number line. Get your finger ready. You're going to start on the 5 because that's how many she has now. And then you're going to go backwards 1, 2 spaces because that's how many she eats. So now we have to fill out the number sentence 5, take away or minus 2 equals how many? Okay? So I want to see if you guys can do that. And then tomorrow, I'm not going to walk you through how to solve the problem. But I think you guys will get it. It's not too hard. It's just different than what we've been doing because now you have to use the number line. I love the number line. I think the number line is really, really helpful for addition and subtraction. So I hope you guys find it helpful too. And maybe it'll be a tool that you like to use because you can always draw a number line really, really quickly and go forward, go backwards. It just depends on what the problem wants you to do. All right, my friends, I hope you have a great Thinking Thursday. Keep up all of the really good work you've been doing. You're working really hard. Your brains are growing so much, and I'm so very proud of you. I miss you a lot, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!